Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain another application of first order ordinary differential equation, which is law of natural growth or decay. Let us see what is the definition of law of natural growth or decay. If the rate of change of quantity x is proportional to the quantity present at any instant, then we have, see here I did take the quantity has to be x, that is what he has given, the rate change of quantity x, that is dx by dt is directly proportional to what is given, the quantity present at any instant. So that's why I would like to take it as to be x. So for removing this proportionality symbol, I would like to take it as dx by dt is equal to k into x, where k is the proportionality constant. So if suppose I would like to solve this one, so I am doing variable separable, then I will get here dx by x is equal to k into dt. So that is variable separable. Now I would like to do integrating on both sides. When I am doing integrating on both sides, I would like to get 1 by x into dx is equal to, k is a constant, k into integral of dt plus c, integral constant. So the integral of 1 by x, so integral of 1 by x is what to me, log x. So that is log x is equal to k into integration of, that is 1 into dt means t plus c. So here what to me, integral of 1 by x into dx is equal to log mod x, otherwise you write it as to be log base e mod x or ln of mod x. So this is what natural logarithm. So here we have the two constants which are k as well as c. Now by using the two conditions, I am able to solve these two, which are to be what to me, k as well as c. So here if as t increases, that is the time increases, x is increases, then we would like to take which is dx by dt equal to k into x, that means k is positive. This is called to be law of natural growth. So very simple example. So the best example for law of natural growth is the population growth. So when if t is increases, x is also increase here. So that's why the best example for the law of natural growth is population growth. Similarly, if as t increases, x decreases, so then we would like to take dx by dt is equal to minus k into x. So this is the law of natural decay. So that means here decay, when time is increases, x should be decreases. So that's why I would like to take here minus k. The best example for the law of natural decay is to be the radioactive substances. If you like this video, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.